Today, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe a contact in Mailchimp. This is a useful skill if you have subscribers who previously unsubscribed but now want to receive your emails, again, allowing you to maintain an accurate and engaged contact list. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access all your email marketing tools and audience management features. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, you'll need to create an account first. The platform will guide you through setting up your profile and entering your business details, which helps customize your experience and ensures your campaigns meet all necessary requirements. After signing in, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Audience. This is where all your contact management happens. Clicking this option will take you to the Audience List page, which displays all your subscribers and their current status. This page is central to managing who receives your campaigns and tracking subscriber activity from the audience list. Locate and select the contact you wish to resubscribe. You'll typically find these contacts tagged as unsubscribed in your list. This tagging system makes it easy to identify subscribers who have opted out and helps you keep your audience organized. Once you've found the contact, click on them to proceed to their individual contact settings menu. This page gives you a detailed overview of that specific subscriber's information and interaction history with your campaigns. From the Contact Overview page, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see an Actions button with a drop-down arrow. Click on this to reveal various options for managing this contact. Among these options, you'll see Subscribe. Click on it to initiate the resubscription process for this contact. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Confirm to complete the resubscription. This final step ensures that you're intentionally reactivating the contact and prevents accidental changes to subscriber status. And there you have it. You've successfully resubscribed a contact in Mailchimp, bringing them back into your active audience list so they can receive your future campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.